Hello students. Today we'll discuss about the total internal reflection. So what is total internal reflection? You have studied already in PUC. Now let us recall once again. So what is TIR? So first to study about the TIR we should have two different refractive index materials. So the one is the higher refractive index, another one is the lower refractive index. So let us take an example like air or water. Okay, these two examples we can consider for two different refractive index materials. Okay, now let us consider two different refractive index materials. One with a higher refractive index, let us call that is N1. Another one is a refractive index N2. So when we incident the ray of light, so when we incident a ray of light, let us take NaO is an incident ray of light. So when it is incident from the refractive index N1, so it will get refracted in the other medium like refractive index is N2. So you can see AO is incident certain angle that is called theta 1 and the same ray it get refracted. So you can see it bends away from the normal. So let us call this is a normal between the two mediums. So the boundary between the two mediums we have considered as x dash. So the refracted ray refracts at a greater angle theta 2. So as you continue incidenting a ray of light with a greater angle compared to the first one. So let us incident another ray of light with a greater angle. So let we call this is BO, incident with the angle greater than theta 1. So when we incident a BO ray, so what will happen? It get grazes between the two mediums. So this is OB dash. So OB dash represents that ray which is grazes between the two mediums. So let we call this as angle theta C. So this is called critical angle. So at this angle, the ray which is grazing between the two mediums. Now continue incidenting the ray of light with a greater than critical angle. So let we call this is an incident ray. So incident at a greater angle than the critical angle. So incident angle which is greater than the critical angle. So when we incident with that angle which is greater than critical angle, C O an incident ray. So the same ray which is get reflected back in the same medium. So this is called as total internally reflected ray. So you can see here OC dash is the total internal reflected ray. So this is how the process will take place, the total internal reflection. So what is total internal reflection? Total internal reflection is nothing but any ray which is incident which is greater than the critical angle, that light ray is totally reflected back into the same medium. So which is incident at higher refractive index medium. So this is known as total internal reflection.